Welcome to Coeur d'Alene, Idaho!
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Yeah, I'd give it all up now just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. So slow, hold you in my arms, won't let go. The world around.
So nakakita na kami ng spot doon sa beach. So kakain muna kami ng lunch namin kasi hindi pa kami kumain.
You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest.
So dumating kami mga 1:15 PM yata. And nandito kami sa beach. Ngayon lang kami nag-lunch. So ito yung lunch namin. Yan, baboy na sinugba. Saan sinugba sa Tagalog?
Inihaw.
Inihaw. Then shrimp na niluto sa butter. Tsaka ano to dahil?
Corn dip, I don't know.
Corn dip daw. Yan. So ito yung beach. So, yan. Ito yung setup namin dito.
Dessert lang.
Yan.
Dessert lang. Ito lang sige, magkalingan ng mga bata.
Tapos na kami kumain. Tapos si Romel doon naligo. Tapos na chika-chika lang kami dito. Nakimarites. Yung dalawang bata nandun sa tubig naglalaro. So, dito muna kami mga ilang oras. It's already 2:30 PM. So mamaya mga 4 or 5 we will walk around the town. Tingnan namin yung mga lugar dito. So 4 PM na, nag-exit na kami, pupunta na kami mag-hike, mag-walking around town. Ayan, ihatid lang namin to. So, punta kami sa beach. Punta kami ng isang restaurant dito kasi gustong kumain nila Alison at Canuela ng dessert. So, yun ang pupuntahan namin. So, nandun sila.
I saw her up on the hill, on her way to the mill, proud and all out. Where are you now? Misunderstood, said she would help the ones that she could. No glimpse of doubt. Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home.
So, nandito kami sa dock dito. May mga speedboat kasi dito, may mga private, may mga for rent din. 270 daw. Ewan ko kung ilang oras yun. So yun, dito lang muna kami maglakad-lakad before kami umuwi. Ayan.
Wait any longer now. Years have passed and restless legs have settled. We're finally home. Down is up. We've been at the top. We're finally home. What a release to find one's peace.
So, nandito na kami sa bahay. It's almost 11 na. Si Jansoy natutulog na. Then, so, ngayon, it's September 2, 2024. It's Labor Day dito sa US. Kaya pumunta kami doon sa Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Sa mga 150 miles yata ang layo dito. So, almost 3 hours ang takbo namin. So, yun. We spent the whole day there. Nagluto ako kasi si Allison galing night shift. So, ako ang nag-prepare yung ulam namin, mga pagkain namin. So, yun. And, yeah, we had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
So, yun. Aliw-aliw yung mga bata. Kami rin, matatanda. So, yun. Yun, ang maganda dito. It's just a 3-hour drive. Then, makakapunta ka na ng magagandang lugar. And hindi ganong...
Wala ka masyadong gastos.
Mm-mm.
This trip kasi nagluto si Jan. Tapos, yung gasolina lang. Tsaka konting mga snacks, yung pika-pika.
Mm-mm.
Kasi usually yung gastos namin pag magti-trip kami is yung full meal, yung lunch.
Lunch,
Kasi
dinner.
Mapamahal kami doon noon. Pero ngayon we opted to bring some food kasi para din makatipid. Kasi sa beach din naman kami pupunta.
So yun, yeah, we just spent the afternoon or the beach, then walking around the town, and then yun. And so
Yeah, that's it for the
so
day.
that's it for our Labor Day weekend. So
Back
and
to work.
matutulog na kami kasi back to work na naman tomorrow. Okay, so thank you all for watching. God bless you all and stay safe.